All right, we've got our new hose and our new ends and we're ready to crimp. We'll just step over here and get the crimper. All right, as you can see, the crimper does sizes 6 up through 12 in standard and reduced barrier. This particular hose is a standard number 8, so we're going to get our crimper out. Then we're going to determine the appropriate die we need. For this hose, we'll need a number 8 die, so all right. All right. Get the hose about right there. Tighten up our handle. Hand tight. Close the valve. All right, then we crimp. This particular crimper works really well. You'll know you're done crimping with this one because the pump has an automatic shut-off. You'll pump the handle till it stops. And when it doesn't go any further, you'll know you're done with the crimp. Release the plunger, release pressure. Unscrew the pump, pull the lock ring out. Now we have a finished crimp. All right, that one looks good. Now, before we crimp the second one, we want to make sure that we still have the right orientation. And we do. Our dots are still lined up. Put it back in. We'll lock it down, hand tight. Valve close and crimp. All right, our hose is crimped. Compressed air, make sure you've got all the debris material blown out of it. Give it a good wipe down. At this point, you're going to replace any O-rings or seals that you took off to start with. Now we have a completed hose assembly. We've gone from start to finish. We've cut, brazed the ends, and we've actually checked our orientation. That's correct. And then we did the final crimp. Now we have a finished product. With a little bit of practice, you can do these too.